Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete foolproof guide on how to find and add the author biography in WordPress. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or content creator, showcasing an author bio can help boost credibility, improve engagement, and let your readers know who's behind the content. So let's dive right in. First, let's access the WordPress editor. Head over to wordpress.com and click the login button at the top right corner. You'll see multiple login options. The fastest way is to hit continue with Google if your site is linked, but you can also enter your username and password manually. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. On the right-hand panel, you'll notice a section called Quick Links. From there, click on Edit Site. This will take you into the WordPress editor, which is where we'll add the author biography block. Now that we're inside the editor, let's insert the author biography. Look towards the top left corner of the screen and click the Add button, which opens up the block insertion tool. A search bar will appear. Type in author biography. From the results, select the Want Your Author Biography block and place it exactly where you want it on your page or post. Once the block is inserted, you can customize it. Add the author's name, a short description, maybe a profile picture, and even links to social media or other publications. This is where you make the bio stand out and give your readers a personal connection to the writer. And that's it. You've successfully added the author biography in WordPress. This simple step not only makes your site look more professional, but also builds trust with your audience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.